Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. I am really excited because today's video is in collaboration with another creator. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you know that I had What Love Built come over. Again, it's been about 3 weeks to about a month since we've been working on this. The bench still isn't done. It's just been extremely difficult trying to get people to come out. I mean, you guys are constantly asking me, how do I find contractors? And to be 100% honest, it's a hit or miss. You guys get to see the hits and don't get to see the misses. But again, this is one of the misses where just to get it painted is being prolonged, and I really want it to be sprayed. So I might just end up having to just get a sprayer and doing it myself in the backyard. But anyway, check her out. I think you guys are going to love her personality, love what she's doing in terms of her DIYs, the upgrades that she's doing in her own personal home. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into my part of the video. All right, you guys, so Joseph has already built this one drawer. So now he's doing these here. He's got one more, two, maybe three more nails, y'all. He moves so fast.
Almost there.
Almost there. So we were contemplating what to do with this right here in terms of the face, and because of the drawer that I got, which is a much heavier wood, it's a sanded down plywood. I was like, well, you know, trying to mimic this as much as possible. Originally the design was supposed to be to cut another piece and then do all the trim work and everything like that. But then I'm like, why can't we just use the face of the drawer? So this is not actually, it's a facing, of course, but it's not what you think it is. And I haven't seen anyone do this. So if you're planning on doing this, or maybe if you're not, this may be something to think about. So what I ended up doing is, not me as in physically doing it, I asked Joseph, is to take a 1x4 to cut it at the angles and then put the face on the actual wood. You'll get to see him do it right here when he gets ready to prep it, and then do the cove in the middle. So everything's gonna get sanded and caulked down, so it ends up looking like it's another face, but actually it's building on the front face of the drawers, which I thought was different, you know, less material for sure, and the drawers wouldn't be so heavy. Apparently, I did not pick up like heavy duty self-close hardware. So it's a soft close, but it's not, I guess, latching on the way it's supposed to. I'm gonna show you guys later on in the video, that way you guys can see it. But I'm so happy with the seat, you guys. It is deep, it is sturdy, and I have been sitting on here even though it's not done. If you want to see how this looks from behind, 100% check out What Love Built. I'm gonna leave her channel down below, that way you guys can check it out. But I love it, you guys. I love it. My measurement plus her construction, and then Joseph expertise, the three of us working together did an absolutely amazing job on putting this thing together. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the kitchen. I'll record that. I went to the store yesterday, so I'm gonna get everything straightened up. Joseph is gonna come back this afternoon to do all of this right here. He already cut it. I'm gonna show you guys. So these are the pieces, you guys. And so what he does is he puts it all together. So I don't want to mess anything up, so let me just do this. I'm gonna do this so I can show you. So if you guys remember the drawers, what he does is he puts one at the bottom, and then he puts another one like this, and then, you know, he finishes off, and then he puts it onto the door. So this is really good, and all I am using is this guy here. And I say I only cut maybe like 4 to 5 pieces, y'all. I did a lot of the cutting for the actual structural part, but Joseph is doing this, and then this right here is the other saw, and then this is for the nail gun. So what I'm going to be doing now, you guys, is cleaning up, although the house isn't like super crazy in terms of all of the dust. coming in from the garage and all the wood trimmings and everything like that. I just wanted to kind of wipe off the counters, clean the stove, the fridge, and wipe everything down. And then, you know, once Joseph got done, go ahead and sweep and mop. He'll be in probably the next 10 or so minutes, and then I'll, you know, situate myself to put a mask on and everything like that. But right now, I'm just trying to, if anything, wipe the dust down, because the house has definitely been dusty. It's only been about 2 days since Tara left, so he kind of came in to finish up some of the other workings that needed to be done to complete this whole entire project. So I'm just wiping everything down.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. He'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. This is my time. I'm feeling good. Rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone. Nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around. I'm pretty wild. I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. Hey, I care for myself. Ooh, don't rely on somebody else. Oh, so don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. He'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem,
am enjoying the whole entire experience of bringing my home together. And I feel like every little thing that I'm putting in here, again, what a love build is exactly what I'm trying to do in here. Like, I'm trying to add a lot of love into this space, make it workable for when I'm working, make it workable for the kids, just like the everyday. So hopefully when you see my channel, you're not just seeing upgrades, but you're actually seeing how these things are functioning and how they're working for me in my everyday. So happy DIY, you guys, and have a really great day.